We're back. Um, did the brakes. Took me 2 days. 2 days to get them done. Um, Basically replaced all the brake lines. Way down along this edge. Put in braided flexible lines. These are stainless steel coated with some kind of vinyl. These are new power stop calipers, power stop rotors. They're not the drilled and slotted like the Durango, but that's all I could get for this car. Had to redo the bearings, all new bearings in them. Seal on the back side, and then grease them and put the cap on. Used Valvoline, high temperature. Brake lines all the way back. These are the rears. There's new parking brake cable. All new lines all the way back. I did put some rust proofing over here, so that's coated those a little bit. These are Cardin rear calipers, casting 451. This is for 1979 Trans Am, of course. So for some reason they charge you $3 more for the right one than they do the left one. But whatever. There's a core charge on them, so you gotta send them back. Power stop rotors for the back, pretty basic. Really hard to get the old ones off. Literally had to cut wedges out of these, the old ones, and then put screwdrivers in and pop them. They're pretty brittle side to side, so once you get a screwdriver in there, you can pop them out pretty easy. One of the worst things is this parking brake assembly. This nut here's a lock nut, so you have to get this arm on the hex that's underneath it. So what I did, I put a C-clamp around here and I pressed this tit out, and then got this arm on and was able to hold it while I turn this. Otherwise that thing just turns the piston out. And then there's just a bolt for the bracket, the lower bracket, and then this spring has a lot of tension on it, so be prepared for that. I used 3 zip ties and zip tied them together, and that took the tension off. I was able to compress them that way. There's a stainless steel line for the back, braided, all new line going all the way down, all the way over. Got bored last night, so I sprayed some stuff on there to kill any rust, seal it up. Not too bad. Undercoating's brown instead of black. I don't really like that, but it is what it is. So, brakes were bled last night, gravity bled, so I'm gonna have to pressure bleed them today. There's a better view of that assembly here with the parking brake and then the spring. Of course, you saw the nut on the other one. Power stop ceramic pads. Power stop rotor, of course, I already said that. So not doing too bad. It was inline tubing where I got them from. They tell you where the factory or the shipping bins were at, so you can take those out. And it's good. They give you directions on installing them. Just typical, don't get dirt in them, that kind of thing. But it did help get rid of some boxes over here. That was a big bonus. Here's the other front one. Again, you got your, it does say DOT, so we should be okay on those if the DOT police come out and check my brakes. Then you got the rotors. So I think it turned out really nice. Needed it. All of them were rotten. The back brakes didn't have any fluid in them at all by the time we replaced them. So tells you it was leaking a little bit. It's mostly leaking out of the main line that was running from the front to the back. But yeah, just took a lot of time. Took 2 days to get all that done. So hopefully I can get on to other things. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I gotta go outside and do some stuff for the yard before my grass gets killed with all this corona stuff. I want to do as much as I can. I got plenty to do if we get locked in here or anything. So we got new lines, master cylinder, proportioning valve. Had to take that all off, clean all that up. I just painted it at that same epoxy gray so it won't rust. But yeah, if you guys enjoy it, say pain in the ass. But you know, I'm actually thinking about doing is getting that door on here. If my wife can help me get it up there, get that door on so I can set the gaps and get some of this taken care of. I'd like to get that interior in eventually. So till next time, rock out to some Zach, and we'll see you next time.